Hi, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Today I will be sharing with you some of the best free resources to help you learn Korean. Whether you're into K-pop, K-drama or wanting to learn a new language, these tools are going to make your learning journey super fun and effective. Be sure to stay until the end because I will be sharing you some personal tips that you won't want to miss out. So let's just get into it. So, Talk to Me in Korean, or also known as ttmik, is probably one of the most known resources out there. They've got free lessons for everyone from total beginners to those at an advanced level. You'll find podcasts, videos, or PDFs to download, and honestly, they break down grammar in a way that actually makes sense. If you're someone who likes super detailed explanations, How to Study Korean is for you. They go deep into the grammar and there are a lot of examples and exercises to help you understand the language. It's great for people who want more than just the basics. Moving on to mobile apps, we have all heard of Duolingo, right? It's fun and great for beginners. The short lessons are perfect if you are learning in small chunks throughout the day. Lingo Dear is amazing if you want something more structured than Duolingo. It really focuses on building your grammar and vocab skills, which is key for speaking and understanding Korean. Eggbun is super unique. It's like texting with a friend while learning Korean. It's especially good for practicing conversational Korean. So it's ideal if you're looking to sound more natural when speaking. When learning a language, having a good dictionary is a must. And Naver Dictionary is perfect for Korean learners. You can look up words, listen to how they're pronounced, and see examples of sentences. Plus, it gives you context, which is important when you're learning new vocab. For those who love multitasking, podcasts are a great way to learn when you're on the go. Korean Class 101 has a ton of free podcasts of all levels. Whether you're just getting started with phrases or diving into more complex grammar, this is a solid way to practice your listening skills. DD Podcast is a podcast to listen when you're on a more advanced level. It covers up topics about the Korean culture and Korean language. Now let's talk about some YouTube channels. If you want something fun and energetic, check out Korean Onni. She's super bubbly and makes learning conversational Korean more enjoyable. Her lessons are easy to follow, so you will pick up things up fast. For those who want to get serious about grammar, Billy Go is your guy. He breaks things down really clearly, and it's perfect if you are someone who loves understanding how the language works. And of course, Talk to Me in Korean YouTube channel is a must. They've got lessons, cultural tips, and so much more to dive into to help you stay on track while learning. Consistency is key. Don't try to learn everything at once. It's better to study 20 to 30 minutes a day than to cram for hours once a week. Little by little and you'll improve. Immerse yourself. Try to surround yourself with Korean as much as possible. Watch K-dramas with subtitles in Korean, listen to K-pop, watch Korean reality shows, or follow Korean influencers on social media. The more exposure you get, the faster you'll learn. Practice speaking. Don't be shy. Whether it's repeating phrases from your favorite K-dramas or singing along to K-pop songs, practicing speaking out loud is really important for your pronunciation. You can also record yourself and see your mistakes. Lastly, make it fun. Learning a language can be challenging, but it also has to be fun. Use the resources that you enjoy the most, whether it's a podcast, an application, or K-dramas. If you're having fun, you'll stick with it longer. So those are some of the best free resources for you to use while learning Korean, and also some general tips to stay motivated. Let me know in the comments which one are you most excited to try. I will attach all the links in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!